Today we are going to make this beautiful chocolate box. I've painted the top with cocoa butter using a dot painting technique, and we're going to fill it with strawberries. Hi, my name is Cheryl and I offer recipes and techniques so you can make your own chocolates at home to give as gifts to friends and family, or even to sell online in your own home-based business. To start the chocolate box for the strawberries, I downloaded an image off the computer of a heart. Then I made a strip so that it can go around the inside of the box. I did it 1.5 inches wide because sometimes strawberries can be pretty big and you want them to be able to fit in the box. I have a sheet of acetate here. So there's our 2 sheets, and now we're going to pour the chocolate. Make sure your chocolate is in temper, it's very important. We need enough here for 2 hearts, one for the top and one for the bottom. I found it better to pour the chocolate for the heart bottom first, and then just wait about 5 to 7 minutes before pouring your strips so that they don't dry together. Pour your chocolate just at the front of the strip and then do a fluid motion all the way to the end. And then immediately lift up to dry on your paper. Okay, as you can see now, my chocolate is dry, and so I'm going to cut out the heart shapes now. Now take your sides while they're very bendable and form them into approximately what you want your heart. Gently press it into the chocolate so that it will stay while it's drying. Has dried now, and as you can see, the chocolate pieces are nicely curved, so I'm just going to put them to the side. You can see why it's important to score it when it's soft so that it will just easily come off. And I'm going to turn it around because you can see this side is nice and shiny. I thought I would gold flake the bottom of the box with some Roxy Rich luster dust. And you don't want to be too heavy on this, just light taps everywhere first just to distribute the luster dust. The next thing you want to do is fit your sides exactly where you want them, and then just hold them steady and score the inside so that you will know where to put your chocolate. fit that on exactly where you would like it, and then just put something on top to hold it down while it dries.